मुझे गावत साहब से बात करके पता चला कि सांकड़ी गांव में छोटी सी जगह पे इतनी अच्छी यूनिवर्सिटी है और आज जो यहाँ पर हो रहा है वो बड़ा पाथ ब्रेकिंग है, क्योंकि इंटरनेशनल फिल्म फेस्टिवल ऑफ इंडिया और NFDC की तरफ से यहाँ पे बहुत बड़ी फिल्में दिखाई जा रही है। और आज जैसे सत्यजीत रे साहब की फिल्म आगंतुक, उससे शुरुआत है, शाम को रॉकस्टार है और आगे के 8 दिन बहुत सारी जो वर्ल्ड फेमस फिल्में हैं वो आप सब लोगों के लिए दिखाई जाएंगी। तो ये एक तरीके से बड़ी स्क्रीन पे सारी अवार्ड विनर फिल्म दिखाना मुझे लगता है सांकड़ी में पहली बार हो रहा है। तो जनरली स्कूल है और शिक्षा है, बट शिक्षा के लिए हेल्थी माइंड होना चाहिए और हेल्थी माइंड के लिए एक हेल्थी इंटरटेनमेंट बहुत ज़रूरी माध्यम है।
That Goa is for IFFI and IFFI for Goa. It's my honor and privilege to welcome the Entertainment Society of Goa, all his resource persons and Madam Sulakshana Sawant. Welcome to your alma mater once again.
Hollywood also, and there are so many things which are going on. Being such a diverse country, I believe that there are great films coming our way, and our students, or I suppose our viewers, are also diverting themselves from being just watching those traditional Bollywood movies wherein you have the Karan Johar scenes and the Sanjay Leela Bhansali scenes. But beyond that, we have now gone on to enjoying the films like that of Stree, which is everybody's favorite, and from nowhere it is making a big businesses. From Stree 1, then we have gone to Stree 2. Recently, I have watched a movie by Amir Khan production, I suppose, and that was what is that?
लापता लेडीज।
Lapata Ladies. Yes, this was something great. To watching a movies on like that of Newton, which was on a small process of elections basically. So wherein that individual goes to a particular booth wherein nobody is ready to come out and vote. Okay. So these are the movies I believe that many of our youngsters are interested in, and I find when my students who are from the field of science have taken a diversion and gone into the sectors like that of film or that of script writing. I would like to specially mention about 2 of my students. One is Swapnil Sarkar. He has gone to write a script for one movie, and that is Stolen, and the other one which has been showcased in in Vietnam, and the second one was the recent one, the first Konkani film entry which has been made now in the IFFI, because now it's almost 20 years that IFFI has been going on, sir, in the state of Goa. But after 20 years, we have the first Konkani film, and I really like that one of my students was a science student, but now came up with the filmmaking, and his movie Savat will be also showcased in the present IFFI Goa. I think there both the students from our own taluka, I would say in the state of Goa, but both the students from our taluka have been representing this film industry. Film industry is the biggest industry if you go to see in our country, and if you go abroad also, you will still find people appreciating about our movies. What I believe is now it's a time. A student who talks about physics should also talk about poetry. A student who talks about biology should also talk about videography. So this is how the whole balance is, and don't restrict yourself that okay, let me prioritize academics over this. I believe that through Mr. Sushil Chaudhary and through Picture Time, through NSTC and through IFFI Goa, that we have got a beautiful opportunity to have the whole theatre over here. Let's make the best use of it. There are no age restrictions, I believe, and bring those students, who have that little interest. It may not be just in watching the film, but it will be also in maybe script writing or maybe poetry or that of writing lyrics, writing music, whatever. Okay, bring them over here just for that one movie. Maybe that one movie will take them a long way and making their mark in this whole scenario of filmmaking and the others. Of course, everybody is having a mobile. Reel making is very much common, right? And reel making is very much common. Yes or no, students? Yes.